Modern car infotainment systems have evolved dramatically. Upgrading your factory head unit can transform your driving experience with cutting edge technology and seamless smartphone integration. Today's aftermarket head units feature universal wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay connectivity. Display technology has advanced to include 10 to 12-inch floating displays, with some premium units offering 4K resolution screens. Understanding head unit sizing is crucial for compatibility. Single DIN units measure 7 inches by 2 inches and typically feature smaller displays. Double DIN units are 7 inches by 4 inches, allowing for much larger touchscreen interfaces. When upgrading, consider 3 levels of integration. Basic replacement simply swaps the head unit with minimal functionality. Semi-integration retains some factory features like steering wheel controls. Full integration provides complete system replacement with advanced vehicle integration. Modern aftermarket systems offer various features and price points. When selecting a head unit, compare specifications like processor power, display resolution, connectivity options, and compatibility with your vehicle's existing systems. Proper wiring is the foundation of any successful infotainment upgrade. The key is using vehicle-specific wiring harnesses that preserve your factory connections. Understanding the essential electrical connections is crucial. Every head unit requires specific power connections, speaker outputs, and antenna feeds for proper operation. For advanced features like steering wheel controls, you'll need integration modules. These small devices translate your vehicle's signals to work with aftermarket head units. Installation complexity varies significantly. Basic installations are DIY friendly, while advanced setups with factory amplifier integration require professional expertise. The future of car infotainment includes AI-powered voice assistants, 5G connectivity for real-time updates, and advanced driver integration with comprehensive camera systems. Whether you choose a basic DIY installation or a professional advanced setup, proper planning and quality components ensure optimal performance and integration with your vehicle's systems.